Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into segmentation, targeting, and positioning analysis. This framework is essential for creating effective marketing strategies. By the end of this video, you'll understand each component of STP and how they work together to help you reach and influence your target audience. So let's get started. STP stands for Segmentation, Targeting, and Positioning. This model helps businesses identify and hone in on specific customer segments, choose which ones to target, and position their products or services effectively in the market. First, let's talk about segmentation. This involves dividing the broader market into smaller, more manageable groups based on shared characteristics. Common segmentation criteria include demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral factors. Example: a clothing brand might segment its market by age, distinguishing between teenagers, young adults, and older adults, each with different fashion preferences and purchasing behaviors. Next is targeting. After identifying different segments, the business must decide which ones to focus on. This involves evaluating the attractiveness of each segment and deciding which one to serve based on factors like size, growth potential, competition, and alignment with the company's strengths. Example: the clothing brand might decide to target young adults aged 18 to 25 due to their high disposable income and fashion-forward mindset. This involves tailoring marketing efforts to best appeal to this specific group. The third component is positioning. This is about defining how you want your target segments to perceive your product or service relative to competitors. Effective positioning communicates the unique value proposition and differentiates the brand in the minds of consumers. Example: the clothing brand could position itself as an affordable, trendy option for young adults by emphasizing style, quality, and affordability in its marketing messages and branding. Remember, the components of STP analysis are interconnected. Effective segmentation identifies distinct customer groups, targeting selects the most promising ones, and positioning creates a compelling message that resonates with those chosen segments. To illustrate, let's consider a coffee shop chain. It might segment its market by lifestyle and preferences, identifying groups like busy professionals, students, and health-conscious individuals. It might choose to target busy professionals due to their high frequency of coffee consumption. The coffee shop could position itself as a premium, convenient option for professionals on the go, offering high-quality coffee and quick service. That's segmentation, targeting, and positioning analysis, a powerful framework for creating effective marketing strategies. Use it to identify key customer segments, focus your efforts on the most attractive targets, and position your offerings to stand out in the market. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has clarified STP analysis for you. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more marketing insights. Until next time, stay strategical guru.